So just quickly headed down to Jones's north corner. We're going to go have a spear and see what we can get.
Go.
Alright, we've just had a little session down at Jones's. I shot a flatty that's about 40 centimetres. So we're just going to teach you how to fillet him and cook him up. So you want to go under this fin and slice that way until you feel the spine, which is now. So you can see that the spine's there. And just do the same on the other side. So you just want to go like this, pull down and slice. Until we get to the hard bit in the middle, which is the spine, like that. And then we follow it down in an angle, so we've got his guts now. So we can slice this. Oh, this is always a gross bit. There you go, there's the guts. The skin's sometimes just really tough, so you just gotta work on it a little bit. So get your hand in there. Should just be able to pull down like that. Open up a gap. There we go, to the end of the stomach. And then just finish it off like that. Now I've got the inside of the flathead. So now with the guts, we can basically just pull them out quite easily. Oh, there we go. There's his lungs. Don't watch if you're squeamish. Put the lungs aside. Best part of fishing. Oh god. And that. So the fillets you can see, and then push it over through and take off one fillet, following the edge of the spine like this. There we go. Well, that went well. And then you keep going, apply a bit of pressure and pull through. And now you can just work the knife down on the side of the bone. Oh my gosh. Nice little flatty fillet. Pull out the rest of the gunk. Like his heart. Oh, yuck. And then more pressure on the edge of the spine. Push a couple of times to make a big enough cavity for your knife to get through. You cut it away here.
Jacob Henry just drove past.
Did he? Yeah. Shout out to Jacob Henry, what a legend. So there's one little half fillet. You can stop filming. Stop filming. Go. Yeah, so we filleted the flatty. So we just went down the side, got the fillets off him, and now we're going to teach you how to cook him up. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. So we're just cooking up the flatty. We've just got some panko breadcrumbs, some oregano and garlic seasoning, and the fish, and an egg. So first of all, we're going to beat an egg in here into our first bowl. And nailed that. Where's your fork, Weary? I'm going to chuck this. And so we're just beating the egg to make out for the side of our breadcrumb. There we go. So now we're going to get our first piece of fish, and we're going to dip it into the egg.
You've got to get your mix ready.
No, I'm going to put this in.
Put a little bit in, not too much. Yeah, a bit more. Bit more.
So we're just dipping it into the breadsticks.
Yep, that's enough.
And we'll just put the breadcrumbs and oregano into there.
Just go like this.
The first fillet.
Watch out. Keep going.
Okay, so we'll chuck that in there and move on to the next little bit. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. And then the second fillet, which is a lot better. So we're just going to lay that in there, really get the egg all over it. And where do I put this? Lay it in, and then move our second fillet into the crumb batter. So lay that in there, toss that around. Hey Samuel, can you press pause on that please, bro? So we're just chucking our flathead fillets into the olive oil pan. So we'll lay the first one in. And then the second. And then after that a little bit. So it starts to sizzle. Sprinkle a little bit more on top. You can see it already starting to shrink and cook. So you want it to be nice and hot before you put the olive oil and fish fillets in.